Hi everybody. I wanted to include a video with this module just to help walk you through it so you can see what Mrs. Mahoney and I have planned out for you. Maybe I can answer some of your questions before you even have them. But starting on Wednesday, April 8th, you are going to have this module appear for science. So I'm going to click on that. And this is formatted very similar to how we did before spring break. We've got your directions and then 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3, 4A, and 4B. And our idea is that you just go through them in that order and you do not do these all in one day. This is for the 3 days of this week and all of next week. The idea is that hopefully you have them done by next Friday, but we understand everybody is under different situations right now. So go at your own pace. And as always, when you have questions, please let me know and please don't stress. So start here. When we click on this video is already in here. It's just not right now since I'm making the video. I give you the directions and break down the requirements for all of those. So we have a few videos here for you to start with. Video on natural selection and one on artificial selection. So watch both of those videos. After you watch the videos, we want you to come here to a discussion page for those videos. And in this discussion, we're asking that you do 2 posts. One, posting what you learned and or found interesting from either of those videos. And then we also would like your second post to be commenting or responding on another classmate's post. We're definitely trying to create conversation that would normally occur in the classroom. That's what we're trying to have here. So it would be great if you would come on and comment on someone else's post. You can obviously comment more than one, but as always, remember, keep it school appropriate and be kind. After you've done that, number 2, this one's interesting. We are giving you a lab to do at home. So this here, for this one, I actually have another video embedded here where I walk through this lab simulation with you. As you can see, I have another video. It's telling you how you can do this at home and the materials you need to do this lab. Most of you will have at home, and if you don't have them, you get to be creative on how to improvise them. I even had to improvise because I didn't have all the materials I needed here at home. After you do that home simulation, trying to give you some kind of science experiment to do while we're apart, afterwards, then we want you to come here to this discussion thread. And we have 6 questions here. You're not answering all 6. What we would like you to do is answer 1 question from part A and 1 question from part B. So you can see part A, I have 3 questions here. You only have to answer 1 of them. And when you come down here to post it, if you would, please type in 1A and then your response would go here. That way, when people read it, they know you're answering question number 1 from part A. And then for part B, answer 4, 5, or 6. You do not have to answer all of them. So again, we don't want you overwhelmed, but we would like you answering 1 from up here and 1 from down here after you've conducted the lab. Next, for number 3, you choose from the following. And we have 2 assignments in here. Please don't do both. If you want to do both, go right ahead. We do not expect you to do both. You get to choose whether you are doing a gizmo or a peppered moth simulation, which it's also another online virtual lab. It's just not a gizmo. I will go ahead and click on the peppered moth one here. What's unique about this assignment is we are sharing a Google Doc with you. And what we want you to do is make a copy of the Google Doc. So open it up, make a copy that's your own. And then after you complete the online simulation, share that document with me, and that's how I know you completed it. And again, you only need to do 1 of them. Do both if you want. We don't expect you to. And then to wrap up module 1, we have an article for you to read here, and it's embedded here in Schoology. And after you read the article, we just have a couple questions for you to answer about that regarding natural selection. So I hope this video has helped you maybe a little bit more. I know the first time we did this, a lot of you were like, do I have to do this all in one day? When do I need to have this done by? So remember, this is starting Wednesday through next Friday. Work at your own pace, preferably in this order. And if you have any questions, please contact me. My office hours are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday from 10 to 12. And what that means is during those 2 hours on those 4 days, I will be on my computer and you'll get a pretty quick email response from me. I have also scheduled Google Hangouts on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11:30 to noon. So if you would prefer more of a face-to-face interaction, or if you just the email questions just aren't making sense, or if you just want to pop on to say hi, that will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11:30 to 12. And as always, you can email me anytime you want, and I will always respond. It's just the office hours are telling you if you really need an immediate answer between those hours, you'll get a quick one from me. I hope you're all doing well. Please don't let any of this stress you out. If you have any questions, please contact me. I miss you all. Have a good day.